Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adnan Ayub. I'm the president of Isotherm Incorporated, located in Arlington, Texas, of the United States of America. Just a brief background of Isotherm. We are a custom manufacturer of heat transfer equipment, i.e. heat exchangers, pressure vessels, and skid-based systems. In terms of our need of our ERP software, we historically have only relied on paper and pencil to keep for tracking. Occasionally we would use Excel, but we wanted to go more towards a solution to where it's more accessible online rather than restricted to those computers that have specific files or the old pencil and paper method. As far as how we found Gluon, it was been told by one of our colleagues who was connected to one of the members of Gluon, or I think at that time it was called Softbeats. But so then we decided, because we didn't know of anyone else, we figured we should give them an opportunity to try it out. And we also used to have another ERP system that was managed by one IT company or guy in particular who had dealt with somebody in India who for some reason had disappeared, and we needed to have a whole new ERP software. So therefore, this was where we decided to go to Gluon for develop a new ERP software that will suit our needs. What the process was we explained what we were looking for. One example was we needed to have a list, a tracking of our commercial proposals, or what we call quotations, that we provide to our customers for any of the products that they are interested in. That was used to be done, as far as tracking is concerned, is by pencil and paper and storing them in manila folders. However, we asked Gluon to see if we could have an online ERP system where it could help keep track of our quotations, so that we would be able to see how long it has been since we have done the quotations and who has been doing business with us and what is the process to where we can do follow-ups. Now that's just one of them. We also have asked them for purchase order tracking, especially to our vendors, and also creation of a purchase order from the customer. We would enter that job to where we list how many hours were budgeted, so that for our production they would keep track what hours they need to stick with in order to be able to produce our product within our budget. And Gluon has been able to offer a user-friendly ERP product to help us with what we need. And so far, it has been like between 3 to 4 years since we have been working with Gluon and have been able to utilize their product. And so far, we have had more progress in terms of time saving versus the previous traditional method, and it has also been helpful in terms of keeping track of our jobs, our proposals, and also our tracking of our orders to our vendors. So just to conclude, we've had a very good, successful experience with their product, and I would strongly suggest to those who are looking for an ERP solution to go to Gluon, and I can assure you that they are the best people to work with. They will be able to implement whatever needs you have in order to be able to make your company successful. Also, one of the products that Gluon has provided is this one internal app that has been utilized for our production, in which that app is accessible to all of our production personnel, i.e. welders. They have to access that app to clock in and clock out all the hours that they have utilized for labor of the products that they are producing. This is very important for our cost analysis, and Gluon has successfully created this app for us, and it has been very useful for us in terms of hours tracking. So, and now, because of that success that we've had with that app, now we are looking to Gluon for the development of our marketing app, and possibly down the road any other further apps that can be helpful for us. But all in all, they have been very successful for us in terms of developing the apps that we need. Thank you.